think in a nutshell, the theme that often emerges is that the center of gravity in the relationship exists in the person who's narcissistic. And the other individual, whether it's a partner or whether the other individual is a child and the parent is narcissistic, often has the experience of sort of being orbiting satellite around the person who's sort of, in this case, pathologically self-absorbed. And implicit in that arrangement, where it's sort of like what the narcissist thinks, says, does is more important than sort of what anyone else thinks, says, or does, is that the other person, the partner or the non-narcissistic person, needs to find ways to go along with that. I mean, if they want the relationship to continue, if the parent's the narcissist, that's a necessity. The relationship has to keep on going because they're dependent on the parent. In a relationship, maybe objectively, there's a little more freedom to say, hey, no, thanks, I don't like this. But if someone's had this kind of upbringing, it can feel almost equally as difficult to say no, in essence, to this arrangement. What can happen in the effort to kind of make the relationship keep on going, is that the other person sort of develops these habits or practices of ways of discounting their own importance and elevating the importance of the person who's narcissistic. That often is met with a lot of gratification and sort of approval by the narcissist, yet leaves the other person feeling pretty depleted and sort of less than. And the person may be aware of that to varying degrees, because the way things tend to shift is the focus is sort of all on, is the narcissistic person happy, rather than am I happy, or even are we happy?